Well, here we are. We're starting another one, and we're starting by leaving, really. Leaving the caravan behind and heading to Karumba just to have a little squiz, maybe have a fish, taking all the fishing gear, so we'll see how we go. But beautiful sunset last night, and checking our little pot, we got nothing, so we're just gonna, I guess, leave it in. What's the worst that can happen? But yeah, beautiful little spot, this one, and we're heading to Karumba, which I can't wait for. Should be good. I'm hoping this sun clears up, the clouds, sorry, clear up a bit, because it's getting a bit cloudy. But anyway, let's hit the road, get out of here and check out Karumba. Still had to jump start the car off the second battery, which is a pain, but at least it's all still working, so happy days. So we've got our free camp permit for Normanton, and it's 2 days free camp. I'm just on the other side of the river there, where we are. But yeah, you have to go to the information centre to pick it up, which is what it is. But it's only the 2 day free camp. We're all done that, so I guess we'll pump the tyres up and head on out of here. But it's a good little walk around in the visitor centre. I didn't want to film anything just because it's, I don't know, a lot of people in there. It's a bit awkward to film it, but it's a good little walk around. So definitely check that out if you head in here. Made it to Karumba, and we're at the Les Wilson Barramundi Discovery Centre, which apparently they've got a free walk around, so we're gonna give that a little look at, and we're gonna swim this way. So I don't really know what to expect here. Apparently you can catch a barra here if you want, but I don't really want to pay for catching a barra. I'd rather catch my own wild one. Anyway, let's check it out. Brand new building as well, which looks pretty good. See that? How can you miss it? That's really cool, that. Swinging in the wind. Oh, it's made from all ghost nets. So that's pretty cool. They've made that barra from all the ghost nets that were picked up. This is it. I guess we'll go for a walk inside, see what the deal is, and have a look around. So also the Les Wilson Barramundi Centre is the information centre, which is really handy. So she's stocked up on all the books. So we've got some reading material, and check out where we can go next. It's pretty good. Right, so it looks like we've come through the visitor centre. Checked it out, got some real nice stuff for sale. But now we're going to do the walk. The Les Wilson Discovery Walk. It's got these TVs as well, explaining the life cycle of the barramundis, which is really good, really interesting for kids. Pretty much follow the little fish along. With lots of interesting facts as well. a beautiful little spot here, which we're gonna sit down, have a cuppa, just enjoy it really. But a load of art in there, beautiful art as well, so you can't really beat that. But yeah, sit down, have a cuppa and just enjoy this view. What a beautiful spot here, Karumba. And I tell you, sitting at that pub there, watching the sunset, would be absolutely ripper. But we just had a nice Barra burger from Ash's. 14 bucks I think it was. Barra burger and chips, 14 bucks each. And the chips are huge. Huge serving of chips. We're going to keep moving. Have a little look around here. This is the point, Karumba Point. And I guess see what else Karumba's got in store for us here. So just around that point where we just come from there, in front of the pub, there's this beautiful little beach where you can drive on the beach as well. But I don't really feel like dropping the tyres and pumping them back up. There's a load of birds out there as well. Must be catching something. But unfortunately no fishing this one. Talking to Ash where we got the Barra burgers, he was sort of saying you don't really get that much land-based around this time. It's more of a January to April. You get a load of land-based fishing, barras. So that's a bit of a bugger, but I guess we can just try the river out the front of where we're camped. Something to do, I guess, tonight. Anyway, let's go check out the boat ramp.
Can't complain.
So I've been watching these guys fishing here for about 20 minutes, give or take, and no one's caught anything. So, I don't know. I guess I'm not going to give it a try if no one else is catching anything. But you got to be in it to win it. So good luck to these guys. But I think we're going to head back to the river camp. Just flick the rod around there. That way I can sit there, have a beer. Don't have to drive anywhere. But Karumba, nice little place. I like this. I can imagine it'd be an absolute packed house, sort of January to April. But anyway, let's get out of here, back to camp. So on the way out of Karumba, we've just spotted this little pond here, and these birds are just going hard. Must be dinner time for them, but they're running along, just scooping things up. And the pelicans in the back there. I don't know, it's just a cool little pond to watch these birds run around eating. I know, a little bit weird, but it's the simple things for simple people like me. Nothing. But rumour is it that not many people are catching fish around here, like out lagoons and even in Karumba, which is a bit of a pain. Well, this is us for Normanton, all packed up, ready to go. Picked everything up, so happy days. But I like this little spot. Even though we caught no fish, it's a good little spot. Beautiful spot at night, beautiful spot to watch the sunset. But we're heading on. I think the next stop we've got is Croydon, which we're going to pull up there for the night. I think it's a $5 $5 camp for the night with showers, toilets, everything really, but we'll see when we get there. And we've got some small jobs to do on the way out. Just fill up the jerry cans, well, look at the fuel price actually, look at the fuel price the next couple of towns, fill up the jerry cans, empty the rubbish and try and fill up the water. But we'll see if Croydon's got free water. If it has, then we might as well just get it there, save a little bit of fuel. But happy days, we've got everything, left no trace. So let's get out of here. Oh, first thing, call into the information centre and grab a free coffee for driver, which is pretty good. I like how Normanton do that. So this is a Normandy like information centre, and it's got a real cool little local legends board, indigenous stockmen, a lot of information on the history here, really cool. Loads of history here, and it's good how it's been put out like this for everyone to see. So there it is, the Normanton Information Centre in this beautiful old building, and really interesting stuff in there, loads of history just on the river, crocodiles, the Barramundi, and even the rodeos around here, which is really interesting. So wouldn't mind seeing a rodeo, but we'll get social into that, see if we can find one. Anyway, we've got our cuppa, we've just got to empty the rubbish and get out of here. It's a good one, Normanton, check it out.